That's what I'm allergic to.
Socks?
No, Scott socks. It's probably because they're all fuzzy.
Well, that's because they're made out of wool.
Maybe that's what I'm allergic to.
Wool! You mean you're not allergic to me after all?
I don't think so. Take your socks off. Not everyone, just Scott.
Oh, okay. All right. Sneezing! No sneezing. Sneezing?
Ooh.
No sneezing.
But stinky. Ooh, let me try.
Sneezing. No sneezing.
So if I put on socks that aren't fuzzy or woolly,
Dave will stop sneezing.
And he can fix voicemail.
yeah!
Okay, I'll just put this piece here, and this piece here, and here, and... Oh, and this goes here. Give it a try.
Okay.
You have 3 new messages.
Yeah! You did it!
Great work, guys.
Now let's listen to the messages.
So we can hear all of our new customers.
All right.
Here we go.
Hi guys, it's Nina. I think I'm gonna come over tomorrow. My Uncle Knitnuts is gonna be busy all day, making juice boring.
Nina, you're always welcome here.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, this next message is definitely gonna be from a customer.
This is Betty from the cheese store. I just wanted to let you know that your big order of cheese will be delivered tomorrow.
Who ordered cheese?
He does love cheese. Okay, this last one has got to be a customer.
Yeah, I can feel it.
Come on, customer.
Dave, it's your mother, dear. I don't have any of those situations that need imagination or anything, but I wanted to say hello to you, my little Whoopie Woo. Call me soon, Whoopie Woo. You have no more new messages, but boy, do I feel better.